The International Pharmaceuticals Inc. or IPI is back this year with their incoming #IamForWellness Run 2019.
IamForWellness IPI Run 2019 is an advocacy run to be organized by IPI in line with our 60th year anniversary celebration this coming May 5, 2019.
IPI is expecting 6,000 runners, including running communities such as senior citizens, mothers, PWDs, and other runners to join the wellness run.
We would like them to be advocate and also to share this wellness run to everyone, to encourage especially those mothers, those children, katong mga nagduha-duha pag-run to join this run coming May 5. We're donating the funds to our IPI Foundation, so we've been also very active in supporting community programs through our IPI Foundation.
The race will be held at the Cebu Business Park with 21-kilometer, 12K, 6K, 3K, and 500-meter categories.
Yes, everyone, we would like to invite you to join the IPI Run 2019 #IamForWellness. This is coming May 5, 2019. See you there.
The IPI continues to empower Cebuanos for wellness with their IPI Wellness Run. For MyTV Cebu, this has been Raya de Guzman.